Hello and welcome to the 2-minute series. The topic for today is liquidity adjustment facility. Now this is a term which often confuses students, but it is a very easy term. Now once you have understood what repo rate is and reverse repo rate is, which we have discussed in the previous video, this term becomes very easy. Now this term is simply used for the difference that exists between the two key rates, that is the repo rate and the reverse repo rate. Now this is basically what is going to represent the liquidity within the economy, because it is the repo rate and the reverse repo rate which is the key monetary policy instruments of the RBI. So depending upon the repo rate and the reverse repo rate, the liquidity in the market or liquidity in the entire economy is something that can be calculated. So a difference between these two is what is known as liquidity adjustment facility. And also this informally, this word liquidity adjustment facility is what is known as the liquidity corridor of a particular economy. So you should know these two concepts. Now the objective here is that it is a primary instrument of RBI for modulating liquidity through the repo as well as the reverse repo. And also repo and reverse repo, as we had discussed in previous videos, also are the key factors which transmit interest rate signals to the market. So that is also the objective of the LAF. Some background is what you should have some idea about, that it was introduced in the year 2000 on the recommendation of the Narasimhan committee. This is something that is a fact. It can sometimes be asked as a question in PT, so you should have some idea about that. Now coming to the impact aspect, as we all know that repo rate is the rate at which banks are taking loans from the RBI, are taking short-term loans. So obviously if banks are taking loans, this is something that is going to inject liquidity. While reverse repo is the rate at which RBI is taking loans from the bank. So obviously this is going to suck out the liquidity from the market, and that is how it is going to impact the inflation. So that's all about liquidity adjustment facility. I thank you all for watching the video.